Hello viewers and subscribers, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Jupiter Linked.
Khruit Rahul Gandhi, ya Modi, halor ka Manipur. UMP jong ka Kongres, Rahul Gandhi, ula takran ya Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Namar ka jingkren tang arminit, ya ka jela Manipur, na ka jingkren ka jong ka bapalat arkenta, ha parlimen. Rahul Gandhi, ula ong, ba Modi ula riki bat ula biri penban, ha parlimen, kat baka Manipur pat, kadang jot kadang pra. Rahul Gandhi, ula ongru, ba Modi kwa, ban penkutno, ya ka jingnya senam ha Manipur. Rahul Gandhi, ula ong, ba Modi, i kuma ulek klet ka Manipur. Ka jela Manipur, kadang don ha ka jingnya senam. Sibun ki briu kilayap, ki kentai kila syak takti, bat kila syak bat bor. Kad ba Modi pat, usyong hakmat jong ka parlimen, don jing leran, uriki penban.
The Prime Minister seems to have forgotten that the state of Manipur is on fire and has been on fire for 4 months. Women and children are dying over there. People are being murdered. Women are being molested, are being raped. And the Prime Minister of India is sitting in the middle of the parliament shamelessly, laughing.
Kaneka kam dai syafang Rahul Gandhi, kam dai syafang ka parti Kongres, bat kam dai syafang jongi kiliang persya, henrei, kadai na kam takari, laong Rahul Gandhi. Kaneka jingji, ha Manipur, kelajia na marka politik, laneka jing sensyar jong ka BJP, laong Rahul Gandhi. Ha kapuar ba ay jingkren, ha parlimen, Rahul Gandhi, ulaong, baka Bharat Mata, kala penyab briu ha Manipur, ningkong ya ka kentin Bharat Mata, labatay bat la pensyay na parlimen, ka jingben, jong Modi ya kane ka kentin, kalong ka babakla, laong Rahul Gandhi, ka kentin Bharat Mata, kadai ka jingmut, jong ka Indi, kadai ka sur jong kinong Indi, hakba, man pa uway ubriu, usyong suksong singan, bat ka don ka jingnya telilang, para briu, henrei, menta kane ka kentin, kala penyab briu ha Manipur, laong Rahul Gandhi, ula batay, balay nga ong baka Bharat Mata, lane ka Indi, kala penyab briu ha Manipur, nga ong ya kane, namar ka Manipur, kam dai syu ka jela, namar ka jela, ka don ya ka jing sensyar, ka jela ka don ya ka bor, henrei ka Manipur pat, kam don syu ya ka bor, bat ka jing sensyar. Rahul Gandhi, ulaya turu, habang ilet sa Manipur, ladang ilet sa kijaka jong ki meitei, kilaya tu lepa yangi, baki kwa yangi banwan, bat ki i jangi, tangba, om dapat banwan nyalam, ya ki kuki, nrei tengi siat yaki, habang ilet sa kijaka jong ki kuki ru, kilaya tu lepa yangi, baki kwa yangi banwan, bat ki i jangi, tangba, om dapat banwan nyalam ya ki meitei, nrei tengi siat yaki, haswaban let sa kijaka jong ki meitei, ngihaban wengshwa, ya ki nongbut, ki badai na kajaj benreu kuki, bat haswaban let sa kijaka jong ki kuki, ngihaban wengshwa, ya ki nongbut, ki badai na kajaj benreu meitei, layatu Rahul Gandhi. Hakapuar bangi let sa Manipur, wat kisipai, ki layatu yangi, bakimpat juyoi, kum kane ka jingji, layatu Rahul. Kane ka jingle jong ka BJP, kam yadai bat ka jing sensyar jongi, na kata daw, nga soong baya ka Manipur, la penyab breu da ka BJP, bat ya ka sur jong kinong Indi, la penyab no, da ka BJP ha Manipur, laong Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi, ulaong, bakan simpuar ya ki Indian Army, tang arsngi, ban penkutno ya ka jingnya senam, ha Manipur, henrei, Prime Minister Modi, kentak, ban penkutno ya kane ka jingnya kaji, ha Manipur, ukwa ya ka Manipur, bahkan jor, ailat ya ka Manipur, bakannya senam, namar kwa, ban penkut ya kane ka jingnya senam, ha Manipur.
It is completely outside our control. Okay? That is why I said Manipur has been murdered by the BJP and the idea of India has been murdered by the BJP in Manipur. I was not speaking metaphorically. I was speaking literally. Now, the Indian army It will take the Indian Army 2 days to put an end to the nonsense that is going on in Manipur. The Prime Minister refuses to stop the fire. He wants Manipur to burn. He allows Manipur to burn. Because if he did want it to stop, there are tools in the hands of the Indian government that can stop it immediately. I know. I have full faith in our army. I know. And every Indian citizen knows that if the Indian army is told, please put an end to this, it will stop immediately. There are reasons for the PM not being able to go to Manipur. I'm aware of those reasons. I don't want to say them publicly. But there are clear reasons as to why the Prime Minister is not going there.